Hey guys, welcome to Adulting Without Supervision. My name's Josh, and I'm here to give you some insight into what Robomow can't do. In service to that, we will be going through a few bullet points of what it can't do. You may be asking why John is mowing and weed eating. Aren't we supposed to be showing a Robomow? Well, there are plenty of things it can't do, and those fall on you to pick up the slack. So we ended up having to mow and weed whack any places the mower can't get to, which for this version of the product is quite a bit more than you would think. Due to Robomower's front wheel being smooth, if the yard is not exactly level with the sidewalk, it will slide into the sidewalk when it makes its turn, putting it off track and unable to put itself back. So you have to set the boundary a few feet further back from the sidewalk or any other slope. Anything beyond this boundary is now on you to sort out. Like me, you may be asking why John is using a corded lawn care product instead of the battery-operated, less cumbersome versions. Well, that's because John would rather deal with the cord and save $70 to $150 per product. While I will and have paid good money to not have to bother with cords, this value calculation is different for each person, but both are valid. Don't forget, you must clean up the debris from the street and the sidewalk caused by yourself or the Robomower. The street must be done due to the rules of motorcycles slipping on grass clippings, the sidewalk due to things that are tripping hazards like gumballs or other nuts or debris from trees. John doesn't know why this blue marking is on the light pole that is inexplicably in the middle of his yard. If anybody knows why, please let him know, because he asked the mower, and it could not speak. To accomplish this cleaning, we're going to use a sweeper and a leaf blower, because the debris becomes so heavy that the leaf blower has a little trouble pushing it, so we're going to use the sweeper to get that stuff. John is using the leaf blower on the edging line in hopes that over time with rain the dirt will level out, and yes, he realizes this may take a very long time. Any sort of landscaping, even done this way, is something the mower cannot do. Why is John mowing his neighbor's driveway while already having to do so much extra work? The answer is they're nice folks, and it keeps the mess from flowing back down when it rains. And this type of altruism is not something the mower is capable of. Anywhere there is concrete, sidewalk, or flower beds, you're going to have to go in and hand pull any weeds or other undesirable plants and cut the grass there with a more delicate tool, because you don't want to damage your flowers or damage your equipment with the concrete or the sidewalk. There were several dead patches from around the house that resulted from John attempting to kill weeds with chemicals so he wouldn't have to keep going back at it with a weed eater. It sort of worked, but not completely, and he still has to weed control them occasionally as well. Honestly, the weeds are coming back quicker than the grass, so yeah, there's that. Unfortunately, John also has to edge the street side of the awning because the weeds there grow out instead of up, and if he leaves them be, they will grow into the street. You may be asking why John doesn't just set up the wire for the mower to cross the sidewalk for the awning. The answer is due to all the street signs and fire hydrants, light pole, and other obstacles, it would be impossible for the robomower to reach every area. Another reason not to set up the wire to cross any sort of footpath is that it can become a tripping hazard if it works itself up from wherever it's secured. It also has electricity running through it, so it can become a shocking hazard as well. That's the end of our little rundown. I hope this gives you guys some insight into how much more work there is to do. Make sure you come back next week to see a review of the Robomow RS622. Till then, this has been Josh. Thanks for joining me on Adulting Without Supervision, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.